I just came back from an incredible ski trip with 55 complete strangers. Video out on that one real soon. However, when I got back, I tested positive for COVID. But instead of letting this get me down, I came up with a plan. I wanted to host a party in a country I had never been to before and invite as many strangers as I possibly could. To help me with this, I called upon my friend Andrew, and conveniently, he was going to be in Budapest in just a week's time. So we had the country. Now all we needed was the people, venue and date, and for me to test negative for COVID. To make this challenge even harder, we decided we were not allowed to plan a single thing until we had both arrived in Budapest, giving us just 3 days to plan the entire thing. I booked my flights and hostel, and 6 days later, after a negative COVID test, I was on my way to Budapest. So it's the day we are traveling to Hungary. I have 40 minutes until I need to leave to go get my train. I am not packed yet. I packed my bags, got on the train and went straight to the airport. After arriving in Budapest, I took a taxi straight to the hostel and met up with Andrew. Hey dude! Oh, what's up? Nice to meet you. I dropped my bags and then we went to go get some food. We have just got our food. Look at this. So cheap. We gotta fill our stomachs so that we can start planning this crazy party.
We have a day. We have all day tomorrow to figure out a venue, people, maybe a band or DJ. I don't even know.
We gotta make it work.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
We then decided to go and check out some of the local clubs and bars to see what we could find, and somehow found ourselves sneaking into an opera house and then going backstage into the staff break room. We walked past many staff members and security guards, but with confidence on our faces and a stride in our step, not a single question was asked.
It's like a break room.
We said thank you to the guards on our way out and continued on our way to the clubs. We managed to find our way to the biggest club in Budapest and thought we might as well go for a quick dance. We ended up going to bed at 2 AM. Oops.
We've just got up. We are going to get some breakfast / brunch as it's about 11. And then we are going to go search first for people, and then somewhere along the way we're going to try and find a place to host this. This is going to be difficult. It's breakfast time. Oh yeah. Filling up for the day. And then we're going to go find some people to party. So we've just asked the hostel if we could have a party on the rooftop.
Well, they said how many, maybe just a few friends, and I said 20, which I think was lowballing. And then they said no.
So we're gonna continue our search now, and I guess on the way we start asking strangers.
So we're gonna start asking people without a venue? Yeah. Ooh, that is, okay, let's go for it.
Just to see what happens.
As we were walking through Budapest, we stumbled across an information booth and thought we would ask for advice on finding a location.
Hi, we are looking for a place for us to throw a party. One with 30 to 40 people. Okay.
So usually the nightlife is in the Jewish quarter.
Yeah, okay. So have a look at these two places. Okay. Thank you very much.
So that's instant. We were there last night, and then the other one is Budapest just goes hard 24/7.
Party culture here is built different.
That club is open until 6 AM every day.
What was that phrase you read earlier?
If you're allowed at night, be allowed during the day. Don't just stop partying because it's day. Keep going. Well, I don't know if we're gonna find a venue. It has to be a house because every venue in Budapest is already
every venue's already busy.
Parties.
Let's just look around and see what we find for a bit longer, and I guess invite people to whatever, to something. We could also try the finding a piece of cardboard that we write on.
We decided to follow the cardboard sign route and started looking around for a piece of cardboard.
Hi. Are the cardboard boxes outside from here? We're wondering if we can get a piece of cardboard that we can write a sign on.
No cotton.
Is there any cardboard we can get to write a sign? No? No, okay. Oh well. A building that's full of cardboard doesn't have any cardboard.
Wow, it doesn't have any cardboard to give to us.
Yeah. Who has cardboard?
This is souvenir science. My chance of any cardboard? I'm trying to make it fine. Cardboard left over in the back, nothing like that.
No cardboard? Nothing at all?
That's okay. Thank you though.
Thank you very much. Come on.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah, third time. Hey, we're looking for a big piece of cardboard. Do you have any cardboard spare? We want to write a sign.
Don't understand.
Cardboard, this.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Yes.
I can't believe that just worked. That's pretty big. All right, like this would be
Suitable, huh?
fine right there.
Get 2 signs out of that, I reckon.
Now we need a Sharpie.
So now we're potentially getting a black marker. Maybe. We went back to the souvenir shop. She found one whiteboard marker, but it's out of ink. Yes. Can we pay for it or? For free?
Free?
Oh, thank you so much. We got a marker. What a great turn of events.
For free? Oh, that's her heart.
So sweet.
All right. So now we need to figure out what we want. This thing was said.
Well, I reckon we like fold it down the middle so we get 2 out of it at
2
least.
signs? Yeah, I agree with that. We're losing pen. 2 signs.
What are you writing on it? That's the question. Beautiful. So I've just created my Tinder profile, hosting a party in Budapest this Friday. Sign is on there, picture's done, and we're gonna just start swiping right.
Yeah, we're trying to throw a party for strangers at a stranger's house on Friday.
Okay.
Do you live here?
Yeah, I've been here for 5 years.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know anyone that has a backyard or something?
It would be better to do like popcorn. We gather in a place and we take it to mini bars because the bars here in Budapest are they all next to each other. Finding a garden, it's hard.
Hard here.
Hard
It's
here?
really hard here. My neighbors will call the police.
Really? That could be the move.
That could be the
Just
move.
like a big bar crawl with strangers.
Well, if you want to join us, have you got
Yeah,
Instagram or a
that's
number
good.
or
Yeah,
what?
of
Nice. We got some success.
After finding ourselves a plan for where we would host this party, we walked around Budapest holding our signs high for the public to see. We spotted a group of tourists and thought we would try and convince them to join us for the party.
Oh, it ends in the biggest club in all of Budapest. We're just throwing for a bunch of strangers. Everyone will be there with the strangers. Maybe. If you guys
Hey.
us, I like it. We'll take a maybe.
Party?
You gotta find the yes people. Dude, I'm human, so I'll acknowledge you.
Thanks. You want to party this Friday? Pub crawl? Join us? Come on.
How old are you? Old enough?
Okay.
You guys here tomorrow night?
Yeah.
You guys wanna come?
After a successful day on the streets of Budapest, we headed to a boat party in the evening where we invited about 8 or 9 more people, bringing our count up to 30 to 40 invited strangers.
On our way to go meet however many people to throw our party. We picked up one on the way already. This is gonna be a crazy night.
Now that we had arrived at the meetup point, all we had to do now is wait and see how many people would actually turn up. People started arriving, so we decided to find out people's names and where they're from.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from the States. I'm Ali. I'm from Palestine.
I'm Dori, I'm from here. I'm Dori, and I'm also from here. So I'm Asti, and I live here.
I'm Raidan.
I'm Kira, and I'm from Ireland. I'm Delia, I'm from Kazakhstan.
Daniel, so from Iran. I'm Shota from Georgia.
I'm Connor, and I live same state as. Yeah.
And I'm Alice from France.
It's happening! After 3 days of work, it all started with this man right here.
These guys are what?
Throughout the evening, more and more people we invited arrived and joined in the partying, so we weren't able to record everyone's name and countries. We decided to make a list of the countries that people were from just to show quite how global the group we had created was. Then we arrived at our first location and the partying started.
There is no way that this has just happened.
But it did. Like there are what, 20 people?
Yeah. Just dancing from all over the world.
Dancing all over the world, different countries. American, Canadian, UK,
Kazakhstan, Palestine,
Ireland, Palestine, Syria. And it just like,
it feels so special.
like everyone is so scared of strangers, right? Like they don't ever want to talk and say hi. And there's the whole saying, at least in America, stranger danger.
Yeah.
But here, like this guy. Well, no, where are you from, man?
I tried a new style of editing in this video, so please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments. Thank you for watching this episode of Not Just Strangers. I'll see you in the next one.